पब्लिक से इंटरेक्शन कितना है, पब्लिक एरिना में कितना बंदा रहा है, कितने लोग जानते हैं करते हैं, ये सब और जितने ही क्राइटेरिया बताया मैंने, इतने लोगों से कंबाइंड वोटिंग के बाद ही वो Hello students, welcome back to Paathshala classes. Today we are going to discuss the trophy that has been given to an Indian. Now who is that Indian with regard to the hockey game? We are going to discuss in the forthcoming slides. So let's begin without further ado. The FIH Hockey Star Award of 2024 has been conferred to Harmanpreet Singh. Now, who is Harmanpreet Singh? For what reason has he been conferred with this particular prize? We are going to discuss in the very next slide. However, as far as the details of this particular award ceremony and every other aspect is concerned, we are going to see the minute details surrounding this particular award. The FIH Hockey Star Awards 2024 ceremony, which took place on November 8, 2024, in which place? Please note the date and the venue. At Muscat, which is in Oman. It has been celebrated for the top performers in international hockey. Indian hockey team captain Mr. Harmanpreet Singh was named the Men's Player of the Year, while legendary goalkeeper PR Srijesh, please note the name Srijesh, has been awarded the Men's Goalkeeper of the Year award. The awards are determined by a voting. Please note कैसे मिलता है? By voting process that includes national team captains plus coaches plus experts plus fan base, as well as the media representation, as in how much the person is active in the public domain, how much people know, पब्लिक से इंटरेक्शन कितना है, पब्लिक एरिना में कितना बंदा रहा है, कितने लोग जानते हैं करते हैं, ये सब और जितने ही क्राइटेरिया बताया मैंने, इतने लोगों से कंबाइंड वोटिंग के बाद ही वो डिसाइड होता है एज टू हु शुड बी कन्फर्ड विद दिस पर्टिकुलर प्राइज. Mr. Harmanpreet Singh. Now let's see who is this Harmanpreet Singh. Harmanpreet Singh, a historical year for India. Why is it called as a historical year for India? Because it is regarded as one of the top drag flickers in modern hockey. Who? Mr. Harmanpreet Singh is regarded as one of the top drag flickers in modern hockey. It has been, after getting this particular award, it has been a pivotal to India's success at the Paris 2024 Olympics, where India clinched the bronze medal. He finished the tournament as the top scorer with 10 goals, a remarkable achievement. Additionally, Harmanpreet led the Indian team to a gold medal as well. Please note again, at the Asian Champions Trophy in the month of September 2024, that is this month itself, 2 months before, where he was named as player of the tournament. Harmanpreet received 63.84 of the votes, including 15.27 from national associations plus 40% from the expert panel, 13.57% from fans, and after getting all these votes cumulatively, this is his third consecutive FIH Player of the Year award. It is not the very first time that he is being conferred with this particular award. He has been a third consecutive FIH Player of the Year and also that he has previously won the accolade in 2021 plus 2022. पहले भी इनको ये अवार्ड मिल चुका है, and it is not the very first time that he is receiving this particular award. It has been a proper historical background as to the conferring of FIH Hockey Award. Now, who is PR Srijesh? PR Srijesh is the Great Wall of India. Why is it being referred as the Great Wall of India? ये इसलिए बस यूज किया गया है क्योंकि since he is the goalkeeper for the Indian hockey team, that is why he is being called as the wall. क्योंकि गोलकीपर का वही काम होता है, to shield, right? To shield the football from entering into the net. PR Srijesh, widely known as the Great Wall of India, won the Goalkeeper of the Year award for the third time, having previously won in 2021 and 2022. He was instrumental in India's dramatic quarter-final victory over Great Britain at the Paris 2024 Olympics. Also that he played a crucial role after India was reduced to 10 men. In recognition of this contributions to Indian hockey, a crucial role after getting this particular award in Indian hockey team, he received 62.22% of the votes. Even Srijesh has been announced as the person to retire soon, and after the Paris 2024 Olympics, he has himself announced his retirement from the Indian hockey team. He has also expressed his gratitude, calling the award a dream year and one of the most special accolades in his whole career. These two people, after making us proud at the national and international level, we too commend the achievements that has been achieved by these two people and has made our country India proud. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for connecting with us. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel of Paathshala Classes for regular updates. Also, you can subscribe to the Telegram channel of Paathshala Classes to get your doubts addressed as soon as possible, and also for any other study materials that is required for your preparation for your CLAT or AILET 2024. Thank you so much.